Today is what, February 16th? What'd you do?
What did you do?
Uh-huh.
What did you?
What did you do? What did you say?
What did you do?
Made mess of food?
Mama's food.
Let me see the mess you made of the food. Show Mama. Yeah, look at that. You made a mess of the food. Tell Mama, what did you do?
What did you do?
What did you do?
When you food and Baxter.
Yeah, you made a mess of Baxter's food.
What did you do? Baxter food.
Yeah.
Down. Oh down. Oh down food. Oh down food.